Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created this gorgeous spring pinky glam look by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I am so in love with this palette, just saying it off the break, no ifs, ands, or buts. It is totally up my alley and I can definitely use this palette every day, and so can you. So if you want to see how I got this look, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So I already moisturized with my Clinique Moisture Surge. You guys saw that. And my primer is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer, which is that. And then I color correct with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Orange Corrector. So for foundation, I'm going to move past this part really quickly because my focus is going to be on the eyeshadow. For foundation, I went to Sephora and I got a sample of the NARS Natural Radiance foundation. I've never tried it before, believe it or not. And she matched me up with the color Syracuse. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then the other color, don't, get me in the comments, but Moria, the color Moria, I don't know. So I'm going to swatch this one as well on the other side. So Moria is it Moria? However I'm saying it's probably incorrect, but clearly that's darker. This could definitely be my color for the summer, but I'm gonna go with Syracuse. We're gonna try Syracuse. Next up, you already got, I'm going to speed past this part, but I'm going to go ahead and conceal and let my powder sit for a little bit, and then we're going to jump right into the eyes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let's start on the exciting part, which is the eyes. So we're going to see what we can achieve with this. So I'm going to use the brush that came in it. I don't even know what my other brushes are that came with my other Anastasia palettes, but nevertheless, I am going to start with cream soda. There's a little bit of kick up, but not much. Some fallout, but maybe because I'm holding the brush like that. But I'm gonna start with cream soda right under the brow. Because I just set my lid with the air spun, so I'm just putting this right under the brow. I don't know what look we're going for. I never know what look I'm going to go for until I start getting into it. But we shall see what spring look we're coming up with. So the next one I'm going to do is burnt orange right on top of, oh, that one has a lot of fallout. Right on top of that orange soda. And bringing it out just a little bit. Just bringing it out a bit. I'm then going to go in with sienna. Now sienna, I'm going to put more so in the crease. And a little bit on the outer V. And then I'm going to take my favorite MAC brush, the 224 brush. And I'm going to blend all of this together. Nothing's on the brush. I'm just blending everything together. So let's go into Mulberry. Using the same Anastasia brush that it came with, that end, I'm going to go into Mulberry. And I'm going to put that on the outer V. A little bit on the end of the lid and bring it up to the crease. Alright, now that we did the cut crease part, this brush is falling apart. We're going to go in with Rose Pink. A little bit of Rose Pink on the inner. Ooh! On the inner of the crease. Trying to do something different here. Just wait for it. And then in the middle, I'm going to go in with Sultry. And that is all the colors I'm going to use in this palette. I am going to put on my falsies and come back and do the bottom lash line and then give my final thoughts on this Soft Glam palette. So I will be right back. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my blush, my favorite blush by MAC, Lovejoy. And for my highlighter today, I'm going to go in with Fenty Beauty, the Kilowatt and Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. So on top of that, I'm going to go in with my Lancome Dual Finish highlighter in the color Radiant Rose Gold. And it looks like that. You guys heard me talk about these products before. And then we're going to do the bottom lash line. So the bottom lash line, I'm just going to go in with the same colors on the bottom lash line. For lips, I'm deciding between this Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick and Driver's Seat. I'll swatch it. Or if I should go in with MAC Mirror. It's more pinky. This is Mirror. And that is Smashbox Driver's Seat. So with this look, I'm going to go in with Mirror. Final thoughts on this Soft Glam palette is that it's really, really amazing. Like this, out of all of my Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, this is definitely going to be a go-to. There are so many looks you can create with this palette every day. If you don't even feel like putting on any shimmers, you can certainly get away with these mattes, just putting them in on your whole lid. For the everyday woman that don't feel like doing a lot of shimmer and all that stuff, these matte colors will be awesome to just up and go, give dimension to your face if you're putting on other makeup products. And the only thing is there's a bit of a kick up and fallout, but nevertheless, this is still an awesome palette. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.